We've received several questions related to the maintenance of lawn mowing or tree trimming on the site. Currently, the city maintains all aspects of the 53 acres, and it's the Bay Park Conservancy's responsibility to take over as we complete the park project in phases. Currently, we're working on the Mangrove Walk portion, which is, of course, behind our Bay branded fences that many of you have seen on the site. Anything outside of that, like the lawn outside along Boulevard of the Arts, is the responsibility of the city. That said, you're welcome, if you see anything as a part of your daily walks or drive-bys that you think ought to be addressed, to contact either the city or to contact us, and we're happy to follow up with the right staff at the city to address the issue. Additionally, in the coming weeks, you might see that some of the fence gets moved as we reopen the western half of the Mangrove Walk. And then again, as that fence shifts, anything that we open to the public that's improved will be responsible for the maintenance.